Hey, hello neighbors, it's Corbellic and welcome back to the neighborhood. Long time no see, long time no hear. Man, I know it's been a while since I played this game. I think it's been a little bit over 2 years since we played Minecraft, right? And I can't even lie to you, I miss playing this game, but more importantly, I missed you guys. Let me tell you what's been going on over the past 2 years with Corbellic. I've been creative, meeting a lot of cool people, doing some art. I've been doing art. I told you on the first video that we had that I am an artist, but let me just show you all the little cool stuff that I've been making over the past 2 years or so of the art. A little bit of this, a little bit of that, this, that, the other. Ooh, that one was really cool. And you could just see all the different projects that I've been making along the years. But I thought that it would be a cool idea if we came together and we kind of infuse Minecraft with the art side, you know, like some painting. And I could also show you the process of me doing a time lapse of like how I do some of these paintings. So look at this building behind me. You can remember this one. You remember this one right here, the Fabergé egg building. Look at this. Look how cool it is. Let's do a time lapse. Look at that. Let's go up and you can just see that. Yeah, that's cool right there. Here, matter of fact, let's go in it right now. Oh, yeah, man, it's so good to be back. I don't have the pressures anymore that I used to have the pressures of when I filmed this game. I wanted everything to be perfect for you guys, and I mean I still do, but it's like now I feel like I could just be more open and really show you guys the things that I was working on or different projects and things like that. Remember this? Well, this is really cool. So what I thought would be a cool idea, right, is if we took like screenshots of the world. So yeah, look, I don't even remember certain parts of how to get up in the building. If we took screenshots of certain parts of the world, right, and we infused it in like a new painting that we're going to do, because the brand of Corbellic's paintings and things like that I've been doing on my art, I've been always trying to take it back to Minecraft, and always been trying to represent, you know, for Minecraft, our Minecraft days, and I've been focusing on the character's face, you know, right there. And I just think it'd be cool on this one if we like made something with all of this. Like, let's just go up here, you can see this room, and let's take a screenshot of this, boom, and then we're going to take a cutout of this and the building, and then what we're going to do is we're going to infuse it together with a lot of Olympic memorabilia that I got from the 1984 Los Angeles 1984 Los Angeles Olympic games that they had here. So I'm gonna I have a whole bunch of memorabilia that one of my friends gave me, which is like a whole bunch of old medals, magazines, and things like that. And I think it'd be cool if we just like put it together and see what we come up with. You know, just I don't know. Let's see what we come up with, and also have it like maybe the Corbellic Minecraft character. He's like doing each one of these sports, and we'll just have it like on these little canvases and see what we come up with. But yeah, I'm just going through the building right now just to kind of to remember all these little different cool things that we built up together and that I did a video on. So I just remember this was always one of my cool little buildings that I did right here. This was I'm not gonna say one of my favorites, but definitely, you know, something that I really liked and I enjoyed. I mean, we did so many buildings together, and yeah, so, well, yeah, look at that little doggy right there. I forget what we used to call our dogs. So let's start the video off right now. Let me show you how we're going to do this in a time lapse, and I can talk about the painting process. So let's go. Alright, now that's that. What you just saw me right now do is put on some homemade glue. This is a wheat paste, which is basically just boiled water, flour, sugar, and one of my secrets is I put a little bit of vinegar in there so that it doesn't mold or it doesn't get rotten or anything like that. You can see these are the classic 1984 Los Angeles backgrounds, newspaper clippings, magazines, Sports Illustrated, things that I've had that were collected and given to me as a gift. So we're gonna put some cool background stuff in it. It's also mixed in with the building that I showed you at the beginning of the video, which is the Fabergé egg building. That's just mixed in with interior, exterior, and let's just see where we go from here. And we're gonna continue with the time lapse. Okay, so I'm done with the final step on that with the paint and the layers, so that way I can actually take the tape off now, which is the borders, and we can actually see how quality it is. We can see how good it looks. I did all the layers of paint. I even put the buttons on there from the limited edition 1984 Los Angeles buttons, and let's just see what it looks like when I take the tape off. I mean, we might even have to add a couple more layers or just a couple more details on the end just to fine tune it, but everything is done right now. I'm pretty happy with our results. So that's the end of our video right there of me doing the time lapse on the art. I'm really curious to hear about what you guys think about that process right there. That's 8 separate 12 by 12 canvases. They are still available on the website. You can click on it below if you would want one. They all have memorabilia on there with the pins. We put the Olympic pins on there. We put the like Sports Illustrated from '84, and we did a whole bunch of classic stuff like that. Look at that building behind us. That's so cool. So we just focused on that one today, and then on the next one we'll focus on another building and we'll put that in the background and add different stuff like that. To really help out this channel, I added a Patreon page, so that way you guys could donate if you want to. I also put a link to my website, and more importantly, you could view most of my artwork on Instagram if you have Instagram at Corbellic. I greatly appreciate you guys coming back to the neighborhood. I'm excited to make some more content, and like always, leave a like, comment below, let me know what you guys think, and I will see you next time.